Hi, let's talk about the women who saved the birds. These three women from history are Etta, Ella, and Eliza. And they met through their love and their anger at the practice of fashion of the time. They were around at the end of the Victorian era, when the height of fashion was to wear stuffed birds in hats or even as brooches. Because of this practice, there were certain birds in the United Kingdom that were in danger of becoming extinct. So these women set up their own society, the society to protect all animals, but this turned into the RSPB. It has grown and grown, and today the great work of the RSPB is all thanks to these three Victorian women who lived very, very humbly lives, but managed to get the sponsorship of royalty, including Queen Alexandra. So we owe a lot to these women. Absolutely fascinating, but written out of history.